Tired of projects turning into a tangled mess? Let's untangle that chaos together. In this 90-second guide, I'll show you how to create a new project in Asana, invite your team, and set it up for ultimate success. First, let's log into Asana. On the left sidebar, you'll see a plus button labeled New. Click that, and then select Project from the drop-down menu. Now you have a choice: use a template or start from scratch. Templates are great for common project types, like event planning or content calendars. For this example, let's pick blank project. Next, give your project a name. Let's call this one Marketing Campaign. Then, choose your layout. List view is simple and straightforward. Board view uses Kanban style columns. Calendar view is great for deadlines for the marketing campaign project. Let's use board view. Click Create Project. Awesome! You now have a brand new project. Time to invite your team. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Type in the email addresses of your team members and choose their permission levels. Member allows them to add and edit tasks. Commenter only lets them comment on tasks. Click Invite. Now, let's populate our board with tasks. Click Add Task. In the first column, enter a task name like Write Blog Post. Press Enter to create a drag and drop tasks between columns to track progress. Click on a task to add details, due dates, assignees, and files. Assign tasks to team members by clicking on the assignee field. Set due dates so everyone knows when things are due. Use the description field to provide detailed instructions. And that's it. You've successfully created a project in Asana, invited your team, and started organizing your tasks. Now you're on your way to project management success.